Free Weezy. Niggas hate, but I don't care. In my heart, I got no fear. I'm heading to this money, and I'm getting so near. I'm fly than you niggas see, I'm something like a Lear. And I smoke a lot of weed, but my vision's still clear. See, I'm always on my grind, cause this money be on my mind like a star. That's how I shine, I'm so far up in the sky, looking down, wave at your lames. When I spit, I release flames. I hustle for what I got, you niggas just getting changed. My money getting taller, the gun's getting bigger. You play with the money, put a slug through a nigga, cause I'm all about the money. See, I'm trying to get richer, so you try to stop me, you better have your gun with you. So
before I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking bread. Yeah. See, before I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking bread. If it ain't about money, then you ain't saying nothing. Fuck around and get the chopper, nigga. I'ma spray something, I'm gone. Nigga, I'm gone.
You know I'm all about the paper. I don't see no fake niggas, so fuck a hater. See, I will never let the other niggas stop me. Yes, I get it in, you better watch me. When I'm in the room, the girls jock me. You see the wrist, nigga, Rocky. Yeah, I'm iced out, I will put your lights out. I run the game, 4 Qs, no timeouts.
So before I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking bread. Yeah. See, before I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking bread. If it ain't about money, then you ain't saying nothing. Fuck around and get the chopper, nigga. I'ma spray something, I'm gone. Nigga, I'm gone.
Get that work and bag it up. Get that paper and stack it up. A lot of y'all so-called rappers in this game, y'all niggas is whack as fuck. Just take a trip to my zone, I spit sick on that microphone. Even when it's darkest night, I still outshine niggas like a thing the lights is on. Nigga with the attitude, you can call me easy. I get cash money, nigga, you can call me Weezy. I ain't from the A, but I come from the J. Right here, I run shit, nigga, you can call me G's. Yeah. See, I am that snowman, I get that dough, man. Below the 4-4 Magnum, cause you know that won't jam. Rapper dick so like I do a slam. To get more money out the program. Make nothing money, watch every money, put up on the line like when all I close on. More if you have me own land, more if you have me own grants. We don't like them haters, them don't want to see we live long. But what, I'ma get more money, straight cheese right here. So ain't shit funny, you can talk what you want, but on the real I'ma catch a case if a nigga wanna take shit from it. And that is real talk. I got them twin houses, spit those and hit hoes with your crazy flow when your kids roll. So for this paper I go hard, drug money, nigga fuckers go hard. Most of y'all is snitches, if y'all not, y'all niggas hoes broads. Tryna get in the hoes broads, I love it when you got on no draws. I spit just like an alien, won't burn my flow bars.
So I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking bread. Yeah. See, before I leave this world, you know I gotta get this fucking